Minexa.ai offers developers API-ready systems and browser workflows for non-tech users, delivering consistent, structured data for scraping economic statistics quickly and easily. Open the cbs.nl page with your economic activity data by quarter. Minexa builds scrapers automatically from this simple starting point. Click the Minexa extension to get started. It instantly prepares the page for extraction with just one click. Click the violet button saying, "Yes, I'm on the right page," so Minexa can analyze the layout and detect how the economic statistics are organized. Minexa handles pagination automatically, ensuring no data is missed across multiple pages during your economic data scrape. Choose to scrape either just the visible list items or also open detail pages to get complete economic activity data by quarter. Click Continue when no interaction is needed. Switch to advanced mode if you must apply filters or clicks before scraping begins. Click Create Scraper. Minexa automatically detects the best way to read this page structure for your economic statistics scrape. Now, Minexa has identified all key data points, including economic activity by quarter. Select the fields you want, and this scraper will use them every time it runs. Developers can click the API request button to get Python code pre-configured with proxies, JavaScript rendering, and retries for scraping cbs.nl. Validate and complete the configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to lock in column names for all future exports and API calls. Minexa automatically detects the Next Page button, so you can continue scraping all pages, or simply move on if no pagination applies. Review your scraping job setup now. Scheduling and Google Sheets integration are optional, but can be configured directly here. Click Run to start your scraping job. Every run produces clean, structured economic data ready for analysis or ETL pipelines. What you see here was extracted directly from the page with columns locked to elements, ensuring economic data like quarter, activity types, and figures never mix up. Missing fields show as blank, guaranteeing consistent results every time you run this scraper. Click Export to download your data instantly. The file is ready for anyone to open, technical or not, in Excel or JSON format. Every value comes straight from the page itself, with no guesses or interpretations, providing you structured data exactly as it exists on cbs.nl.